1 month away of PR boxes. I'm scared. Dyson. And it smells like vanilla. Oh yes, a bit disappointed. Also expensive. Estée Lauder. I was not expecting this. It's summer. Huda, Beauty and Kayali, they're winning. How many stuff? Look how minimalistic it looks. Okay, this is what a month away looks like. Can you see this? I haven't opened a single one of these and I don't even know what's in half of them. So we'll do the unboxing right now. I want to start with the biggest one because I'm scared, okay? Let's see what is here. Who are you guys? That's how the box looks like. Monday hair care. Okay. I've never tried their products, although I've seen them in Boots. That's how they look like. Super cute, baby pink and vanilla yellow. Lovely. I need to smell it, obviously. Body wash. That's a body wash. And it smells like vanilla, obviously, because it's written vanilla. Gosh. And that's body moisturizer. I thought it's for hair, but oh my god, they're so pretty. They will look so good in my bath. Obviously, we have exfoliating body scrub, and I need to smell it because I love vanilla. Everything vanilla and coconut, give it to me. I'm using it tonight. I think I'll just start by taking each of them one by one. Dyson, okay, they have launched a new Amino product. What is this? That's a leave-in scalp bubble treatment that hydrates and protects. That's something new, which I'm excited to try. Tell me if I'm wrong, but I don't think Dyson launched any hair product before, apart from their tools, obviously, that we all love. Also, it says that it promotes fuller, healthy-looking hair. So I will try this together with my husband because we both need it. Another big box. So my cat was playing with this. Oh, it's a perfume. Oh, ooh. There is a cute note for me. Thameen, London, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right. That is so lovely, and it's handwritten as well. By the way, guys, I need to mention that I'm not doing a giveaway right now because I'm still figuring out how the YouTube algorithm works, and I have an ongoing giveaway right now. I don't have that many views, but finger crossed I'll manage to understand how it works. Feels like Christmas for me. Looks so pretty so far. Wait a second, because I was not expecting this. They have personalized it with my name and my star sign, which is Libra. What? Smells expensive. You know when you go into those stores that are really expensive and there is this scent that you can't really understand which one it is? Oh wow. You know, I feel that once I finish this bottle, I would like to pour some other perfume inside only to keep this cute and personalized bottle. Thank you so much, Thameen, London, and I really hope I'm pronouncing it right. That's such a thoughtful gift. Oh my gosh. Next in line, we have Clinique. Oh yes, it looks like this. Nice, nice. No idea what's inside, but obviously it's either skincare or makeup. Let's open it. Tell me you never used Clinique before, because I believe this is a brand everyone has ever tried. The first product I used from them, it was their foundation and their yellow cream, and it was back when I was still in uni at 21 or 22, and I felt so special that I got the chance to use this product. Clinique Crayola, play with color. Well, I do believe I got the Chuby Sticks. I do already have 2 of them, and I featured them in so many makeup videos because I love them. You know what? I've actually discovered a new hobby for me right now. I'm coloring in the evening, and I needed colors for the skin of the girls that I'm coloring, so this is the universe telling me, yes, you have to keep on coloring that book. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Play with colors. These are crayons that you use on paper. They just have the same shades as the Chuby Sticks from Clinique, okay? So the crayons in 5 shades, okay. Gosh, I'm still confused. Let me just understand. I'm very excited about everything, but this, I mean, I was not expecting. For me, any colored pens are a gift. Wait, because I didn't open this part. What is wrong with me? Why am I not opening everything? Well, after I finish filming this video, I know what I'm doing. Thank you so much, Clinique. I'm very thankful about this as well. I'm gonna try them on. Obviously, I'll film makeup videos, shorts, but you know, when you don't expect something, like there is makeup, there is skincare, okay, I know, I'm very thankful. I do not take anything for granted, but still, when there is something that you don't expect. We have here a few packages from Revolution Makeup. I think these are all. Let's unbox them. I know this product, you know, because I do have these products already, maybe different shades, maybe they have launched new shades, okay, but I'll show somewhere on the screen how glowy they look when you apply them. Adorable. And then we've got the Wrap Brow Tubing Brow Gels. To be honest, I'm not into this tubing mascara things, because what if it rains? What if you cry? What if something happens and there is water in your eye? I don't know, it's just not my thing, you know, but I'm keen to try something new. And here it comes, the last one. Super G SPF Skin Tint. It's summer and obviously everyone is launching SPF products now. I do love their SPF creams, and now it comes in a tinted form. I'll definitely try it and see how it stays on my face. Does it blend well? Is it covering my skin well? Because I don't like a good coverage during summer, but at the same time I want some coverage because, you know, it's tinted SPF. Into another big box, and we finished this pile. I was meant to open these boxes a few days ago, but obviously I wanted to do it in front of the camera, so you can't even imagine how eager I was to finally do it. The Huda Beauty, okay, I hope this is their new perfume, because I'll tell you what, they sent me a PR perfume, I think it was a few years ago, when they unlinked the perfume scent from the powder itself. But to be honest, I used to love the powder with that smell, and I used the perfume till the end. I wish I could show it to you, but I don't have the bottle. I had to throw it away because it was empty. I am super excited to be trying their new perfume, and I know Huda mentioned that they have improved their formula, but I hope it's still the same perfume. When it comes to PR boxing, Huda Beauty and Kayali, they are winning. Seriously, they are doing this in the best way possible. Look at it. Look at it. I mean, just perfect. Seriously. Okay, let's go into this perfume, and finger crossed, it's the same scent. It is the same, but I think they added some sherry notes on top. I don't know if it's more intense. Obviously, it's written more intense, but I just feel like instead of being more intense, they just added new notes to it. It smells nice. It's not the same though. A bit disappointed, but I get it. Like, I get why they did it. What else? We got holder and charms. Oh gosh, this is the prettiest and the most clever idea ever, because you can attach it to your bag and just looks good. Obviously, I got the mini perfume. Also, I've got here the air freshener. I just had this thought that I have to spray it with a perfume. It will stay right there. Well, I'm super excited. And there is more information about all the notes from this perfume. Thank you so much, Huda. I always appreciate their PR boxes. We are not even halfway through, sorry guys. So we got the serum. Is it for face or for hair? It's for skin. And we've got the peptide treatment, which is a scalp mask. Okay, so I'll have to give the Dyson to my husband and I'll try this one, or vice versa. We'll see how it works because we need to try them both. This one is heavy. Oof. Revolution Beauty, that's another one from Revolution. I thought we opened them all, but so we've got the face and body luminizers. Ooh, okay, in 2 shades. Then I've got the lip oil. I love lip oils. The body brush. I actually needed a body brush for glowy stuff that we'll be using this summer. And then the face and body balm. What? It is glittery. When you touch it, it's actually very watery and balm-ish. But when you apply, it's absorbing so well. But actually, it gets dry really quick. Everything else, the package, the idea. Okay. Oh, and I missed this face, eye, lip glow multi-use palette. That is right here. Another box that's quite big. Ooh, wait a second. What is that? Anua? I was expecting a box from them. But look how much stuff I've got inside. I've got collagen retinol refining gouache cream. They said actually 3. Guess what? In future, some of them will be in my giveaway. Then I've got the hyaluronic acid soothing serum. Eye cream. I need a new eye cream. That's good. Thank you. Control cleansing oil. PDRN. What's the thing with PDRN? Like everyone is launching PDRN products. Wow, I know it's good, but it's such a trend. And more other stuff like sunscreen, another serum. Basically, they send, I believe, their best product. Well, thank you so much. Another one, Estée Lauder. Oh my gosh, I love their product. I don't know what's inside, but look how minimalistic it looks. More. That's what we have to say about everything. Almost about everything. The new Double Wear, the new Full of Life matte. And it's their new foundation. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try it on my skin. So I have 2 shades here. And also they sent me the pump, a brush, a sponge. I haven't used the sponge in a very long time. And their concealer as well. Guys, just wait for a new video with makeup. No idea what's inside. What we have here. I know, it's Rare Beauty. Look at this box. Oh gosh. I fell in love with their, is it bronzer or a sculptor? That tone, it just looks so natural on me. You know what we got is, so it's their new foundation in 3 shades. Well, let's see which one suits again my skin tone better. And then we got a sponge. We've got silicone makeup sponge case, a brush. And look how many shades Rare Beauty has. So far I can say that this is the prettiest box I've seen. It's a bag, an unbox. Now we're moving on this side. And we'll start with PIXI Beauty. If you're still here, that means you love unboxing. Oof. Oh, wait a second. Actually, PIXI, it's quite creative with their PR boxes as well. So we got the Beauty Primer, Correction, and Poreless Primer. I think the Poreless Primer, that's something that I would like to try and see if it works because I have oily skin and I am not into glowy skin that is trendy right now. If you have dry skin, that works for you. If you have oily skin, I think trying to cover some of the glow to not look oily. You know what I mean. I wish I could say I'm tired, but honestly, I can do this the entire day. So this comes from Monty. This is a PR agency. We have Rare Beauty again. Oh my, you know what? I need to do a full makeup of a Rare Beauty now. I'm excited to try them because I've used just a few products from Rare and I bought them myself. Just so you know, I'm not receiving everything for free. Some of the items that I see online, I'm like, oh, I need to have them. I'm spending my own money. But with the majority of the products, I do giveaways and I try them myself, obviously, to film the videos because this is why the brands are sending these products to me. They want me to create content. I understand that you think that, oh, you're getting them for free, but I work for them, if it makes sense. That's hard to open. Bobbi Brown! Memories from 2016. I used to buy almost all their products from, I can't remember, I think it was Debenhams in Milton Keynes. Oh my god, I used to love, what was my favorite? I think it was the powder. Oh, that's like a travel kit. I need to open it. Sorry. We will not go through this so quick. Okay, we've got, I remember it, the face base. And then, wait. Lip and cheek, okay. No, I don't know about this one. I was not that rich to buy that many products. This concealer, oh my god. I know you're like, what is wrong with you? Why you are so excited about everything? Well, I'm excited because if I receive this product, this means that I'm doing well, my work is noticed, and also because these are the brands I used to spend money on, and receiving their products for, well, let's call for free, it just means so much to me. It means the world to me. When I just started doing this, for me receiving PR packages was a dream. So now it came true. Oh, what do we have here? A journal. Oh my gosh. You know what? It looks so sleek. I'm gonna give it to my husband because he used journals. I don't use them anymore. I have a Whoop that I'm using, but it looks so pretty. He'll love it. Thank you. I think it's 2 hours later and we are still going on. So I had this box which is so personalized from the beginning. It's a Giuliana Fresco on the top of it. Obviously I get it from Urban Decay. How am I supposed to open it? So we have, is it a mini all-nighter makeup setting spray? I love their setting sprays. I believe they're one of the best. And I love that I had this mini version because I'm traveling a lot, so it will be quite helpful for me. We are almost there, almost. So everything is about vitamin C, SPF Supernatural product. I haven't heard about antipodes before. They're vegan. I ran out of eye creams so fast. Every time I receive an eye cream, I'm like going into my list, you know. There are some products that I'm using for videos, some products that I am giving on giveaways. Some products I'm just sending to all my friends and family, and some of them, they go into my bathroom. It's a queue of products that wait for me to use them. So this will go there. Oh wait, because that is basically it. I have 2 more. One from Pepper Mayo. You know what? I'll do a separate video featuring all the cloves. I'm just so tired by the end of this video, but I'm happy. I'm tired, but in a good way, okay? So, in future, I'm planning to do more giveaways on my page, just so you know. It's just that I have to wait until the one that is ongoing right now will finish, and then I need to understand how to make my videos get more views, basically understand the YouTube algorithm. I switched from shorts to long format videos, and the algorithm is still picking up and trying to understand, oh, what the hell are you doing? I'm pretty sure one day we'll get there. Stick with me. I'm trying my best, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.